Hi, welcome to this maths grind, which will cover the slope of a line. The slope of a line tells us about the lie of a line. It describes the direction and steepness of the line. A line that is increasing from left to right has a positive slope, while a line that is decreasing from left to right has a negative slope. A horizontal line has a slope of 0, while a vertical line has a slope that is not defined. The method of finding the slope depends on what information we are given. So if we are given 2 points that lie on the line, we can use the slope formula. This formula is found in your formula book on page 18. To find the slope, the 2 coordinates are substituted directly into the formula. Example question. Find the slope of the line that passes through point A, which is 2, 3, and B, which is 5, 7. Using the formula, we will substitute 7 for y2 and 3 for y1, and then 5 for x2 and 2 for x1, which gives us 7 minus 3 on the top line and 5 minus 2 on the bottom line. This simplified gives us a slope of 4 over 3. If we are given a graph with the line plotted, we can now use the formula slope is equal to rise over run. In order to use this formula, we must construct a right-angled triangle with the plotted line as the hypotenuse. Start by picking 2 points on the line whose coordinates can be easily read. Draw a right-angled triangle with the line segment between the chosen points as the hypotenuse. The lengths of the vertical and horizontal sides can be read from the axes. The vertical side is the rise and the horizontal side is the run in the formula slope is equal to rise over run. If the line is increasing from left to right, then the line has a positive slope. If the line is decreasing from left to right, then the line will have a negative slope. Example question. Find the slope of the plotted line. Using the right-angled triangle that we have constructed, the rise is a vertical line, so its length can be read directly from the axis. So the rise is 4 minus 2, therefore 2. The run is a horizontal line, so its length can also be read directly from the axis. The run is 4 minus 1, therefore 3. Subbing these values into the formula slope is equal to rise over run gives us a slope of 2 over 3. As the line is increasing from left to right, we know the slope is positive. If we are given the equation of a line in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0, then we can use the formula slope is equal to minus a over b. A is the coefficient of x in the equation and b is the coefficient of y. Example question. Find the slope of the line 2x minus 3y minus 7 equals 0. Using the formula slope is equal to minus a over b, the slope is equal to minus 2 over minus 3. Simplifying gives a slope of 2 over 3. If we are given the equation of a line in the form of y equals mx plus c, then we can find the slope, as the slope is equal to the m value in the equation, that is, the coefficient of x, provided that the coefficient of y is 1. Example question. Find the slope of the line 3y is equal to 2x plus 7. The coefficient of y in this equation is 3. Therefore, we must divide each term by 3. The coefficient of y is now 1, so we can read the slope directly. The slope is equal to the coefficient of x, which is 2 over 3. If we have a graph with the line plotted and the angle made by the line with the positive sense of the x-axis, then we can find the slope by using the formula slope is equal to tan theta. Example question. Find the slope of the plotted line. The angle made by the line with the positive sense of the x-axis is 45 degrees. The slope is equal to the tan 45. Using a calculator or the table on page 13 of the formula book, we can see that tan 45 is 1. Therefore, the slope of the line is 1. Parallel lines have the same lie. Therefore, their slopes are equal. Example question. Find the slope of a line that is parallel to the line 2x minus 3y minus 5 equals 0. The given equation is in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. Therefore, the formula slope is equal to minus a over b can be used to find its slope. So slope is equal to minus 2 all over 3, which simplifies to a slope of minus 2 over 3. As the lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. So the required slope of the line is minus 2 over 3. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals of each other. If given the slope of a line and the perpendicular slope is needed, then we must invert the slope and change the sign. Example question. Find the slope of a line that is perpendicular to the line 2x plus 3y minus 5. As the line is in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0, we can use the formula slope is equal to minus a all over b. So the slope is minus 2 over 3. Inverting this slope gives us 3 over 2, and changing the sign gives us a slope of plus 3 over 2. To prove that two lines are perpendicular, we use the statement that m1 multiplied by m2 is equal to minus 1. This statement is true if and only if the two lines are perpendicular. Example question. Prove that the lines 2x plus 3y minus 5 equals 0 and 3x minus 2y plus 7 equals 0 are perpendicular. We must first find the slope of each line. So m1 is equal to minus 2 over 3 and m2 is equal to 3 over 2. Multiplying these slopes gives a value of minus 1. From this statement, we have shown that the two lines are perpendicular.